Hi everyone. This hot appliance is the latest addition to the SPS series. The Sportster S with its modern chassis and extremely agile Rev Max 1250T engine, which not only delivers a wide rev range thanks to variable timing, but also a whopping 122 horsepower peak power on the road, provides the perfect basis for supersport custom projects made by Thunderbike. In this case, our project not only received the sporty GT wheels in 6 to 18 inch at the rear and 3.5 to 21 inch at the front. But for the first time we also designed the front wheel of a Sportster S to accommodate 2 brake discs. In order to be able to fit 2 brake calipers, the upside-down fork was given new milled brake caliper mounts and an additional radial brake caliper by Brembo. To improve the response behavior, the stanchions were also coated in gold DLC at the same time. Driving dynamics. This new front end with 21 inches front wheel and 340mm brake discs not only looks sporty. The conversion also makes the bike more dynamic, as the narrower front tire significantly improves handling. The conversion of the brake system also makes a sporty contribution, with the 2-disc brakes doing their job with incredible ease and leaving nothing to be desired. Seating position. To support this sporty concept, the bike was fitted with our relocated footrest system and triple clamps with flat handlebar mounts specially developed for the Sportster S. This means that the riding position now matches the new riding dynamics of our Sportster S 100%. The slim exhaust system comes from J&H and fits in perfectly with the overall concept. This project is further enhanced by many finely milled parts from our range: radiator cowling, engine cover, pulley cover, shock absorber cover, headlight cowling, grips, indicators etc. are all from our SPS series. The paint concept comes from Cruise Design and consistently emphasizes the sporting ambitions. Thanks for watching.